Healthy nutrition ensures strong horns and quality raw material. Regular medical care keeps the herd in perfect condition. Clean animals are essential for high-grade horn leather.
Horn development is carefully monitored from an early stage.
Ethical rearing creates the foundation of a trusted supply chain.
Every animal is tracked for complete production transparency.
Proper movement ensures natural strength and horn durability.
Only the finest bulls are chosen for the next stage.
The journey from farm to factory now begins. After careful farming, the bulls reach the specialized horn leather facility. Trained staff handle every arrival with controlled precision. The unloading process is designed to reduce stress completely. Each bull is placed in designated intake sections. Digital tracking guarantees full production transparency.
Proper rest ensures humane handling before processing.
Every step follows controlled facility procedures. Now the animals are ready for professional health evaluation.
Professional veterinary inspection is the first step inside the facility.
Experts evaluate each animal to ensure top-grade raw material.
Accurate measurements help plan the entire horn leather process.
Horn quality directly defines the value of the final leather products.
Every detail is logged into a modern tracking system.
Only fully approved animals continue forward.
With health confirmed, the next stage begins responsibly.
Humane handling protects both the animal and the valuable bull horns.
Careful positioning prevents any damage to the natural horns.
Only experts handle the delicate horn leather process. Hygiene is critical to preserve premium bull horn quality.
Specialists supervise to ensure ethical horn harvesting.
Modern systems ensure humane and responsible procedures. The process is swift, respectful, and focused on horn preservation. Precise handling keeps the horns intact for premium leather use.
Clean workspaces guarantee top-quality horn leather.
Now the valuable bull horns move to the detailed separation stage. Here, the valuable bull horns are prepared for their transformation into leather. Dedicated teams focus on protecting the natural structure of each horn. Every horn is removed with maximum care and precision. These horns will become the core material of unique leather goods. Once horns are secured, the hides are carefully processed. Clean horns ensure superior final leather quality.
Quality control protects the reputation of premium horn leather.
Now the bull horns and hides advance to deep cleaning and treatment.
Water washes away impurities, preserving the natural structure of each bull horn.
Gentle scrubbing maintains the integrity of each valuable horn. Careful scraping shapes hides and preserves nearby horn material for leather production. Automation ensures consistency while protecting every bull horn. Initial chemical treatments prepare the hides and bull horns for premium leather quality. Each horn receives specialized pre-treatment before tanning.
Stretching builds flexibility in the leather while safeguarding horns.
Drying stabilizes hides and horns, preparing them for tanning and shaping. Now the bull horns and hides are ready for full chemical transformation. This is where bull hides and horns begin their transformation into premium leather.
Each bull hide and horn receives specialized chemical treatment to develop durability.
Time and motion ensure the hides soften and the horns retain their natural structure. Horns receive dedicated care to preserve curves and strength. Science controls every detail of the horn leather transformation. The raw hides and bull horns are now becoming ready for advanced leather processing. Careful rinsing ensures safe, high-quality hides and horns. Softening builds the characteristic texture while protecting horns.
Drying stabilizes both hides and horns for premium leather quality.
Now the bull hides and horns are ready to be shaped into horn leather products. Now the bull hides and horns are ready to be precisely cut and shaped.
Precision tools ensure every bull horn and hide retains maximum quality.
Machines provide accuracy, while workers protect the bull horns.
Each horn is carefully aligned to preserve natural structure.
Trimming refines the hides while safeguarding the horns. Shaping turns raw hides and horns into structured materials for luxury products. Organized stacking ensures smooth workflow for final crafting stages.
Horns are treated delicately to preserve their unique characteristics.
Now, the carefully prepared hides and horns are assembled into horn leather jackets, bags, and belts.
Every piece is positioned precisely to form high-quality horn leather items.
Each horn leather jacket is crafted with care and precision.
Horn leather bags are assembled to highlight natural horn texture and strength.
Every horn leather belt combines durability with premium craftsmanship.
Quality control guarantees every horn leather jacket, bag, and belt meets luxury standards.
Horn elements are integrated seamlessly into each item.
Organized stacking ensures smooth workflow to finishing stages. Now the horn leather jackets, bags, and belts are ready for polishing, dyeing, and finishing.
Now the horn leather jackets, bags, and belts are prepared for polishing, dyeing, and finishing.
Every surface is polished to bring out the natural shine of bullhorn leather. Careful dyeing adds character while protecting the natural horn elements.
Horn leather bags receive even color and a smooth finish.
Each horn leather belt is refined for luxury and durability.
Every horn leather item is inspected to meet premium quality standards.
Protective finishing ensures longevity and shine for each horn leather product.
Organized stacking prepares horn leather items for the next step, packaging.
The horn leather jackets, bags, and belts are now ready for careful packaging.
Every horn leather jacket, bag, and belt is handled with precision and care.
Each horn leather bag is packed for maximum protection. Horn leather belts are carefully boxed to maintain shape and horn integrity.
Every package meets strict standards to protect the horn leather items.
Labeling ensures traceability of every horn leather jacket, bag, and belt.
Final inspection ensures every horn leather item leaves in perfect condition.
Organized stacking makes shipping efficient and safe.
Now the horn leather jackets, bags, and belts are ready for shipment to their destinations.
Careful unloading maintains the premium condition of each horn leather item.
The horn leather jackets, bags, and belts are carefully loaded for safe transport.
From the distribution center, the horn leather jackets, bags, and belts are ready to reach retail shelves. Proper securing guarantees the horn leather jackets, bags, and belts arrive in perfect condition.
Every shipment begins a journey from factory to destination. Each truck ensures the horn leather jackets, bags, and belts remain secure on the road. The journey continues until the horn leather jackets, bags, and belts reach the hands of customers.
The horn leather jackets, bags, and belts have arrived at the retail store, ready for display.
Each horn leather jacket is presented to highlight its premium craftsmanship.
Horn leather bags are arranged to showcase their style and durability.
Every horn leather belt is displayed to emphasize quality and design.
Lighting enhances the natural beauty of horn leather. Customers explore the horn leather jackets, appreciating craftsmanship and texture.
Horn leather bags attract attention with their durability and design.
Displays highlight the horn leather jackets, bags, and belts for a premium shopping experience.
Soon, these horn leather jackets, bags, and belts will be purchased and ready to go home.
The final step begins as horn leather jackets, bags, and belts reach the checkout.
Every horn leather jacket is logged for precise tracking.
Horn leather bags are scanned carefully, ensuring quality control.
Each horn leather belt is registered before leaving the store. Purchased horn leather jackets, bags, and belts are packed for the journey home.
The journey from bull hide and horn to luxury horn leather item is complete.
And this is how modern factories produce horn leather jackets, bags, and belts from start to finish.